Hello. Today the topic of presentation is chloramphenicol antibiotic. After completion of this, you will able to know structural activity relationship of chloramphenicol antibiotic. So let's begin with the SAR of chloramphenicol. Here is the structure of chloramphenicol. So moving to the first point, the para-nitrophenyl can replace by other structure. There is no loss of activity, means even you can replace it by heterocyclic ring, so it will doesn't hampers to activity. Second point, replacement of para-nitrogen to ortho or meta decreases the activity. So para-nitrogen, it must be to the fixed position, which is para only. If you change that position, it is a not beneficial one. Next point is hydroxy group converts to ketone can lead to loss of activity. Here both the hydroxy group, if you change to ketone, which is not a beneficial one, there is loss of activity. Next point is replacement of dichloroacetyl group by dibromoacetyl group leads to loss of activity. So also this change is not a beneficial one. So here we have seen the structural activity relationship of chloramphenicol, the modification which we do to this chloramphenicol structure, and the effect which we get. Yes, which is very important one. So hope all of you getting this. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep learning.